guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something about I'm gonna spend the vacation at home, and yeah, the rest of the vacation will be at home. Don't worry, we'll be going to places for the summer. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So I've been on your iPad for so long. Okay, Mom, I'll get out. Okay. Okay, let's put my iPad over here since Mom's staying over here. Hi, Colin. How you doing, Colin? Can you please stop doing that to the baby? I'm just gonna take him out for a walk. And you go play with your sister, please, because maybe they'll let you play netball, volleyball, or something. Okay, what can I get? So basically, I want to see what everybody's doing over here. This is a gym, okay? We'll sit here, okay? And I'm getting ice cream. And get this drink to stay protein because I need to go to the gym too. Because I need to go to the gym. Y'all know I do need to go to the gym, so yeah. I want to play with Maya. Maya. What, Kayla? What do you want? Stop irritating me. I want to play with y'all. 1 round. Come here. Okay. Throw the ball, the squirt. Go. Jump it fast. Yes. Drop it 10. Okay. Okay, throw the ball, Kayla, already. Yay. Go. Okay, let's get ice cream for them. So basically, I think I should get for her. She was vanilla, but I think banana. And now I also want a vanilla for me. And maybe it's like two or three. That's a good. Let's go call them. Ding 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 ding. I'm not gonna this one call because she's just there. Let me call her back. Hi mom, so you want us to get ice cream? Okay, we're coming. She wants us to get ice cream, so you need to stay here because okay. I'll stay here because I need to take care of the iPad. Hi mom. Okay, please take the ice cream. Yes. Come on, Colin. Colin. So guys, we got a new baby. His name is Colin. Extra close, everybody wants to wear. Bananas for me. Yeah, I know, girl. Bananas you free. You ate my ice cream? It's okay. You can give me it. You can take mine. I'll get one. Why did Kayla do that? I'm gonna have to get another ice cream. I think let's get strawberry for it again. I think I should maybe go to the gym, right? Because I need to be fit. Ice cream. Yeah, I want to swim inside. I really want to play volleyball with her. She's okay. Throw up to you. We should play volleyball, like I don't know, volleyball or whatever it's called, in the pool. So this is nice. Okay, so basically we should do something else, like get some balls, play, do whatever we want to do. I'm going in my floaty. That's what I'm gonna do. You take a Careful, baby. Okay, I need to go change into my outfit for the gym. Yeah, I can have this outfit. Where can I dress? Okay, I'm thinking of the place to dress. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We should go pull up more. Push, push. Okay, we should climb up this thing now. This is good. Okay, let's start again. 3, 2, 1. Get up, dude. Get up, girl. Go, girl. Go. Go. Oh my goodness. That wasn't successful, but would be successful. Ooh, go, 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 go. Go, go, Maya. Yes. Okay. And now to pick up weights. This is so good. Now I should go on this thing. Okay, 1, 2. I need to be fit and strong so I can cook my stuff, do everything. Go, 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 go. Well, this was the last day in the Bahamas anyway, so oh my goodness. We're only doing like a full-time vlog, so we need to get out of the beach right now. Just kidding, guys. We're still in the beach. Okay, come on. You guys, we need to go get something real quick. So, you guys have to stay just for now, okay? Okay. So, Mom said we have to go for like a baby photo shoot for Colin's photo shoot. Oh, I love it going for his photo shoot. I'll be right there. Okay, guys, we have to go for the photo shoot. They're already. Okay, go take a picture. 1, 2, 3. This is not cute, not cute, not cute. See, do it. Closer peek. Jeez. Okay, so not doing the thing. Yeah. Basically, period. Okay, I made one picture. Cute. It's cute. It's cute. Period. So we're done with that one. Now we have to go. Okay, now we have to do it like. Now we have to do like different things. Let's get it. Okay, you must get out of the picture. Do it just himself. Take the fiddle, then just go there. Yes, almost. Put the baby inside it. Put it here, put it here. There. Okay. Okay, this is cute. Turn on the clip. Okay, this is cute. They fairy the mirror. Okay, this is cute. Did it. Size. I must be like this. Now I'm gonna do it like this, like with the baby like this. So basically I'm doing it like this. This one is cute already. The first one is cute. Okay. Now we're gonna take everything with a social camera. Got this picture clipped. This one. Okay, cute, period. So now we have to do one with just the mom. Cute picture. This is so cute. Another picture. We need to get the baby in this. Like, okay, period. This one is cute. This one is cute. Just stay cute. Now we have to do one like with the baby sleeping. Okay. He got tired and now he's sleeping. For sure. Because of the noise. Cute picture. Okay. Finally, photo shoot is done. Guys, you can take a drink. Thank you guys for taking our pictures. So I hope to see you guys next time. Mm. Okay, you guys want a treat? Yes, we do. We do want a treat. I love treats. Okay, then we're gonna get the baby out of the photo shoot. Thank you guys. Let's go put the baby clothes in my thing. Okay, what color donut do you want? What flavor? I want this pink one. Okay, take the pink one, girl. I want the purple one. I love chocolate. Okay, never mind to get drinks. Tasty. Right here. Okay, guys, that is the last day in the Bahamas. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.